Welcome to the Marty Sites YouTube channel. In this video today, I'm going to be showing you how to use our platform to build a website for your Spanish restaurants. Now, if you just randomly stumbled across this video and you aren't quite familiar with the Marty Sites service, Marty Sites is the easiest way to create a one-page website. You can literally launch your own website in less than a minute. It's super affordable. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. So click on the link below this video, sign up for the free trial, and give it a go. Once you've joined the platform, it's going to go ahead and ask you to search for your market over here. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from for different small businesses, solopreneurs, and people with side hustles. So I'm going to head to the top and search for my market, Spanish restaurants, and there it is over there. I'm now going to tell Marty Sites a few basic details about my Spanish restaurant so it can generate a one-page website for me. Let's go ahead and put in our company name, as well as our city and our state or region. Now, it doesn't matter where in the world you're located, you can use the Marty Site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. The type of business we're going to leave as a restaurant, and we're now going to click on continue. Great. How can our customers get in touch with us? Let's go ahead and put our phone number in as well as our email address. Let's move along. Where is our Spanish restaurant located? Let's go ahead and put in our street address as well as our postal code. Let's move along. Let's get our hours set up. What time do we open on a Monday? Assuming my Spanish restaurant is only open for lunch and dinner, I'm going to say we open from 11 a.m. and we close at 9 p.m. We also open on a Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and a Sunday. We open 7 days a week. Let's move along. Let's do a quick review, make sure everything's in order. If you need to update anything, all you need to do is click on update, but everything looks pretty good to me. So I'm going to click on next and let Marty Sites work its magic. And there we go. Marty Sites has literally generated a one-page website for me in less than a minute. Let's take a closer look. Now, the beauty of Marty Sites is we've pre-written all the content for you. We've pre-selected all the images, as you can see, and they're all really high quality. That looks absolutely delicious. However, if you've got your own photos of your Spanish restaurants, of the decor, of the meals you are preparing, and you want to make a few amendments to the content that's been pre-written just as a guideline for you to make it easy when it comes to launching that one-page website. If you need to make amendments, you can do it. It's super simple. You don't need to know any coding. You don't need to be a web developer. You don't need to hire a web developer. That's absolutely not necessary. So I'm going to be walking you through the process today from the top to the bottom to give you a little bit of a look and feel of how the service works and how easy it is to use. So let's get cracking. At the top, I'm going to head to update section. The first thing I want to do is make sure my email address is displayed on my Marty Sites website. So I'm going to click on show email. It's now displayed in the top right hand corner next to my phone number, which is click to call, by the way. My address that I've already put in my physical location. When my customers click on that, it will automatically take them to Google Maps to get directions to my physical location. Let's go ahead and update our social links. I'm now going to pop in our Instagram page over here. Feel free to give us a follow and let us know how you are enjoying the Marty Sites service. There is an option for various other social media platforms like Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, and Facebook as well, and the icons will be displayed at the top of your Marty Sites page. Let's move along. I'm now going to click on update logo. Now, if you don't have a logo yet for your Spanish restaurant, that's completely okay. Marty Sites will literally just display your name here and it still looks really professional and great. However, I do have a logo, so I'm going to browse from my device and upload it. Awesome. Let's go ahead and save that one. Look at that, looks really great. You can customize it, you can make it bigger and smaller, but I'm happy with that sizing, so I'm going to save it and now I'm going to move along. Now, perhaps the colors that were pre-selected for you, the color palettes used throughout this multi-size page, this red, perhaps it doesn't go with your branding whatsoever. Maybe throughout your restaurant, you've used a completely different color on your logo, on your business cards, on your marketing. You don't need to know color coding to change it. All you need to do is click on this nifty little paint bucket on the bottom right hand corner and go through the various different color palettes available. So I'm going to go ahead and take a look at this one. I actually really like that one as well as this one. It's pretty neutral. So I'm going to go ahead and select this one. And now I'm going to move along. Now, as I said, we've pre-written all that content for you. We've pre-selected all the images. They're completely royalty free, no licenses involved to use them. But if you have your own ones, all you need to do is click on update section and head over to update image. Now go ahead and browse your device and upload your own. Otherwise, feel free to search through the photo library. With the multi-site service, you have access to this library and it's all completely free. No license is needed for these images, so you can have peace of mind that you are able to use them on your multi-sites website. With the terms, play around a little bit. It automatically will search for Spanish restaurant, but I'm going to go ahead and search for Spanish food and see what pops up today. Awesome. So that one looks really delicious. So I'm going to go ahead and select that one. It's around about lunchtime and now I'm starting to get a little bit hungry looking at all these amazing images. They're all really high quality. It doesn't look like they've been taken on a mobile phone or anything, so it's really great. I'm now going to head to update content. The button over here, you can link to various places. So perhaps you don't offer an online ordering system. I'm now going to change that to view our menu because I myself personally like to have a look at menus before I visit restaurants. So assuming your clients and your customers want to do that as well, let's go ahead and pop our menu over there. Now for the buttons on the multi-sites platform, you can link to another website, perhaps like Uber Eats or online ordering system that you use. You can link to another part of your multi-sites websites and action like directions, click to call, click to email. But one of my favorite options is to upload a PDF file. So I'm going to do exactly that. I'm going to upload my Marti menu for my Spanish restaurants. And there we go. So when my customers click on that button, it will automatically take them to my menu. Look at that. It's been updated. Let's move along. If you need to make amendments to those hours, that physical location, all you need to do is click on this handy update section button and go through the various steps. Over here, we've got another great spot for a high quality image. This image that has been pre-selected for you is absolutely stunning. It sums up my Spanish restaurant perfectly. That is a meal I would serve and be proud of. So I'm going to leave that exactly the way it is. However, if you've got your own delicious meals in photo format, go ahead and click on update section and upload one of your own or search through that photo library that I've just shown you. Over here, we have another spot. Go ahead and change the content, the pre-written copy to suit your business needs. Button can link to various places. We've now made our way onto the About Us section. Over here, you can put a little bit more details of how your Spanish restaurant came to be, how you got started in the industry, what is your influences, what is your inspiration with your Spanish meals you're cooking? Is it food that's been passed down, recipes from generation to generation? Go ahead and put all that information over here. Your customers would love to know your story. Over here, we have another great spot for a high quality image, and I think it's absolutely stunning. So I'm leaving it exactly the way it is. So look at that. We've literally gone through our website for our Spanish restaurants in literally less than 10 minutes. I didn't need to know any coding. I amended the sections so easily. It was such a breeze. Remember, the service is only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. So click on the link. You've got nothing to lose. And the great part about it is you don't even have to put your credit card details in like most other online services these days. So click on that link below. If you have a custom domain for your Spanish restaurant, go ahead and click on the button, connect your domain over here. There is a step-by-step tutorial on our YouTube channel, as well as a blog post over at www.martisites.com. Let's take a quick look. over at the blog. There's also a, there's also there's also some great marketing tips for your small business on how to market your business online. So check out our blog over at our website. Now, the great thing about the Mighty Sites platform, we're happy to announce you can officially purchase your custom domain through our platform. We're really excited to introduce that feature. So, if you don't have a custom domain and you really want one, we understand that with a professional website comes a custom domain. So, all you need to do is click on that button, connect your domain, and you can now purchase your domain through Mighty Sites. It's absolutely brilliant. So, I hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website on the platform for your Spanish restaurants. Really wishing you and your restaurant mighty success. And if you have any features, any suggestions you'd like to see in future on the Mighty Sites platform, all you need to do is comment below and let us know. We'd love to hear your feedback. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.